Convert integer to string in Python. How do I convert an integer to a string? For the reverse, see how do I parse a string to a float or int. Floats can be handled similarly, but handling the decimal points can be tricky because floating point values are not precise. See converting a float to a string without rounding it for more specific advice.
Links to the documentation. Int. str. X converts any object x to a string by calling x dot underscore underscore str underscore underscore, or repr x if x doesn't have a underscore underscore str underscore underscore method.
Try this.
There is no typecast and no type coercion in Python. You have to convert your variable in an explicit way. To convert an object into a string, you use the str function. It works with any object that has a method called underscore underscore str underscore underscore defined. In fact, is equivalent to. The same if you want to convert something to int, float, etc.
Just play.